Hello friends, welcome to new video. Brushing teeth is an important part of our life. But sometimes our teeth become very bad because of our wrong habits. In this video we are going to tell you very beautiful remedies, by using which no matter how bad your teeth are, you can make it bright, white and strong. Only 2 things are required, which you can easily find in your kitchen. So let's start today's beautiful video on number 1, which all you need is a clean bowl. Lemon on the 2nd place. And salt on the 3rd place. Remember, you can use any kind of salt. So first of all, put your lemon in the bowl. Then after that add salt to it. And mix it well. The way to use it is to apply it with a brush and use it twice a day. You can use it twice a day at any time. You will use it continuously for a week and you will see its benefit.